Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and great day. Welcome back to DIY Woodworking TV. Another vlog update for my workshop. Yes, it's still messy and dusty. Check this out. Yesterday I was cutting wood more on this one and it's much more dusty now. Yes, in this update I have got myself a Cyclone Dust collection system right here. It's a kind of DIY. I tested it. It's really quiet and that's what I actually wanted. It's quiet and it has enough power to get the wood. Even, you know, I can use it as a vacuum cleaner to clean this messy workshop today. But it's a kind of a roly-poly. It easily rolls. So I'm thinking that today still there's a lot of scrap wood left from my pellet wood things that I brought, and I actually used pellet wood to build this table, work table. So I'm gonna use that scrap wood to build it, kind of a little box, and later I plan to buy wheels so that I can move it around and I can probably use it without it, being roly-poly falling down. So let's start working on this. Baby. This is like Handheld DIY dust collector system. It actually works really nice. So to say, I can basically make a cyclone right away. You can see how the cyclone is forming in there. Wow. This will make cleaning my workshop really easy. Look at the amount of dust inside. Sweet. Alright, DIY dust collectors. Actually completed a long time ago, but I just got the wheels, and you see I have to replace the bag. Waiting for the new bags to arrive. This bag still should gather some of the dust, but not too much. Hey, now it moves and it flies around, so it's good. I can take it around a workshop very easily. No need to drag the whole thing and make noise. Later I will cut sides, make it look more beautiful, spray paint it. This will look really nice.